How to update your profile or personal info in BCBSM app. To update your personal or a profile information within the application, you can follow up these steps. So generally, you need to head over to the application and go to the login option and then log in into your account. You can even use the website, which is bcbsm.com for that, and head over to the login page for your member account. So head over and log in into your account. And once you are logged in, all you gotta do is go to the account in the overview section, and then you can update this within your online account settings. So there, just go ahead and within my account, you should be seeing options to update your personal information, such as name, address, phone number, email, etc. You can follow the prompts in order to edit and save your updated information. And once that is done, just go ahead and save the changes. You may, if you have a group employer sponsored plan, you may need to go ahead and contact your employer's HR department or whoever handles your health insurance first to see if they handle profile updates. And you might need to fill out a change of status form or contact BCBSM directly to make the changes. And if you bought your plan through the healthcare.government, you can go ahead and make your changes by going ahead and making that through health government account. So health care.government account, you can head over there. And if you're having trouble finding a specific area to update your information, you can also call the number on the back of your blue cross ID card for assistance. And for certain changes like updating your name, you may need to provide a return request or contact your group administrator. Some group plan members may not be able to edit their profiles directly due to employer preferences and will need to contact their group administrator. And that's it. So therefore, if you'd also like to update your profile or personal info, you may head over and follow up these steps. So I hope this video was helpful. Give it a thumbs up and subscribe for more tips and tutorials.